Me I want them, tell them this a real Shenyang anthem. No girl can't see me a start problem. Them a man clowns and me walk on them. Me no love chat but me I want them, tell them this a real Shenyang anthem. Now fight no girl over no man, me no idiot. If me a take your man, me a keep that.
Good morning, guys. It is Christmas Day and I finally reached where I was supposed to go. I came in like at 2 o'clock this morning, slept and got up like at 12. I know we're all dressed up. It's my Christmas Day outfit. We're gonna go up to my grand uncle and go get some food for breakfast. I'm sorry I didn't vlog like the whole airport stuff. Like honestly, if you guys didn't know, like a lot of stuff like went down. Everything was like overweight. We had to take our stuff out of hand luggage and put in our bags to go on the plane or whatever. Our stuff was too big and everything. My grandmother was cussing out people and stuff, so you know I couldn't really vlog all of that because you know I was trying to help her and calm her down or whatever. So sorry about that. So that vlog will be kind of short, but today the vlogs are going to be long. Hopefully there's a party later on and you know we have to go and mash up a place. So you're about to walk to my uncle's house now. It's like literally like right down the road. And yeah, here I washed it, a little wash and go. It's probably gonna get big by the time the night done, but yeah. Skirt from Guess with this little fanny bag. I think this looked too good for grown-up family members. I should wear this to the party tonight. I don't know. Here I am walking. Guys, I reached my uncle's house now. I'm about to walk down this damn hill. Ooh, me smell breadfruit or roast. Hold on, gotta take my time with this. But yeah, guys, I feel like my outfit looked too good for going on a country and stuff, you know. Pauline, that Merry Christmas. How are you?
I'm okay.
Oh, some stuff for your father. Yeah.
You're looking so pretty.
Oh, thank you. You look nice too. You want to tell everybody hi?
Hi, everybody.
Carrie here? Hi, Pauline. Pauline, Carrie here? What's she doing? Seriously? Guys, Carrie in a day here. She gonna go spend holiday with her mother. So me I go party with tonight at party. Oh my god. And I brought stuff for her too and her daughter. So I don't know how she's gonna get it. Oh my god, I'm so mad. Oh god. Guys, I'm about to eat my food. My roast breadfruit and ackee and saltfish. It's about to take me like 2 minutes to eat this off. I haven't ate from morning. I come in last night, I didn't eat as well, so I'm very hungry. But yeah, look good, girl. Wanna like my tattoo? Flowers. I'm a little Jamaica tattoo. Yes. Steamed fish and okra body. Oh god. Alright, man, I go shell some of this right now. Alright, Pauline's here. I cook. When I cook for your Christmas dinner, yeah? Yeah, stop! Should I like dip on the damn video? Alright, we are go on my grand. What she do? Auntie, yeah. Go look for her. Pauline. She said I mean to make her watch up and play at them and I sing. Guys, I feel so bad. Like these vlogs, I feel like they're just gonna be fucking boring. Like I'm sorry for my language, but I'm in the car. We about to go back to my uncles to go eat dinner. We just came back from my grandmother's sister. Yeah, just to go, I don't know, chill, say hi, or whatever. I didn't vlog anything because there really wasn't anything to vlog besides freaking mud, dirt road, and mosquitoes. But yeah, I'm about to go eat dinner, and then tonight is a party where everything got 2 bills and you're going in at 2 bills. So I'm gonna go to that and video the dancing and stuff. But like, I really don't have anyone to hang out with because first of all, my cousins who are like around my age, we're not close or anything. I don't really like par with them or whatnot. Somebody will watch me. Yes, I'll just do that. Stand up on one vibes to myself. God, I can't wait until my aunt comes. My aunt comes down tomorrow, so hopefully me and we can do road and do something and give you guys something to watch. But yeah, you guys ever feel like somebody will watch you? But yeah, my dinner: chicken, rice, and peas and beef.
Everybody wanna buy some. Everybody wanna buy. Animals are the 2 bigs, make some. You, let me get your job. Last 5 letters in the alphabet. No, hold on. Wrong. You want to try now? Try.
W-X-Y-and-Z.
No, 4 that's here. No, 4 that. That's a 4. That's a 4. Count the man, count by your finger. Count by your finger. Count by your finger now. She said double X, Y, on. What on for? What on, man?
U-R-X-Y-Z.
No, wrong. Jesus Christ, what the? Nobody know what the mail you see? Hold on, now push on the tongue, so hold on. Cool, man. Hold on. Thank you. That's it, though. I'm not giving money. Too much. I'm not giving money.
I chew your bite too much, wanna make you broke, yeah.
All who know you believe in yourself, do one in a year, but so on go on. If you don't believe in yourself, nobody now will believe in you. All who know you nothing bad man can't stop you. What are the chief? I want to tell you come for them money. See ya. Jesus Christ, people, look here. Bonnet.
I'm a brother shoes, and so we do it now and cheers.
Crazy. Fire weird. Ultimate family there. Up what you what you said there.
We still stay strong.
Level the thing. When me play that song, any man feel like you're too bad to give me the vote for that song, I'm going to rate you because you don't have ambition. All who knows that progress you did in 2018 and that.
Me I leave the party now because I bear old people me a par with. They want to go home, so me I go home now. It's alright. I'm gonna get some people that are like around my age to party with, like New Year's Eve and somewhere else. I need company my age here. But I'm about to go home now. Where you say, Polly?
Go to your bed.
You said Penny got in bed at night time?
Yeah.
Me look like Penny to you?
Of course.
Me a big ass woman, 19-year-old. Me a pay bills, me a big woman. She too boring. Yeah, them boring bad, yes.
Alright, big man.
Oh God. That's why I love Jamaican people. They're just full of vibes and just like so funny. Yes. They are what guy care now. Guys, I party when I select. I said, what's the last 5 letters of the alphabet? It girls say A-O-L. Where do we actually get L and A from? At the last of the alphabet. And then she goes say QRS. Oh God. I can't believe people don't know their damn ABCs. Last 5 letters of the alphabet is V, W, X, Y, Z. You know God? I'm boring.
Come go on with me.
Polly, you know you said you're boring.
You didn't leave me alone.
No, you're boring.
You don't like the boring girl.
No, look how you look good job, but you want to go home. I just 2:30 in the morning. You see the party just a start.
Something you're too waiting on me.
So, something like what? No man did it, so I couldn't want man. What, some food? And some food you want there?
Yeah, I'm going to tell you. Some beef in the pot away the family.
So Christmas beef.
Yeah, tell you.
We'll take a little of our belly.
We're going to go eat and come back at the party.
I'm playing with you.
Yeah. You are walking trophy. Girl, you are walking trophy.